Hey guys, it's me again, May, also known as Missy at Home, and today just want to share a 1-year update on my Neverfull MM. But before we do that, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified on my next video. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I got this bag last year of January before the lockdown. I got this from Korea. That was our last trip before the lockdown, and I will put the link in the description if you are interested to see it. So this is 1 year and plus months. I don't know because today is July and I got this on the I think January 7 of 2020, and to be honest, I used this for only 4 times already, and I see some changes, particularly in the baqueta now, and it has the honey colored patina already. But look at this side. On this side, the baqueta is a bit lighter than the one on the trimming. Look at the difference. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, the leather is a bit lighter, but it's okay with me. I think it's fine, and it will change its color over time. So, and another concern of mine is this part of this strap. I don't know if this is normal. Please comment down below, guys. See, but other than that, everything is okay. See, okay, let's take a look at the interior. So let's check the interior of the bag. I don't see any dirt or mark inside. Okay, see, and look at the strap of the pouch. It's still in lighter shade compared to the trimming. See, still light though. Okay, the hardware still shiny. See, look at the hardware, still shiny. Here, still shiny. Okay, the pouch, the zipper pull. Look at the zipper pull, still shiny, and I haven't used this yet, only for when I did a video on how to put a chain strap. I will also put the link in the description if you haven't seen it yet. So I think that's that. I don't see any dirt or mark or stain in the interior, and You know what, guys, I thought of selling this bag, but then I realized that it's better to keep it, because what if we can travel again, if the things come back to normal again and we can travel. I know a lot of reviews that the Neverfull is a great travel bag, so I keep it. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my quick update in my Neverfull 1-year update. Still in very, very good condition. But I heard there is a rumor that the canvas material will be discontinued. Please comment down below, guys, if that is true. Well, at least I have a Neverfull in canvas material. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my quick update, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please click the notification bell so you will be notified on my next video. Okay, bye. See you on my next vlog.